Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. Today is Sunday, and I decided to casually take you along to just kind of, do errands with me, cook some food, and straighten up some rooms. So right now I'm going to start in my bedroom. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know how you're doing, what you're working on, what you've been up to, what you did this summer. Can you believe the summer is ending? That's crazy.
Yeah, that's when you're gonna start to see better lies and better times of history. I'm telling you, everyone needs to care around the world, everywhere about the way we like it.
The bed is made. I'm out of breath. The homie's up there chilling on the pillows. The only thing I need to do is fold my clothes there. Those are not my clothes, so I'm gonna disperse them to where they need to go. And just clean off that stand right there. I'm not doing a lot in here today because I just don't feel like it. My bed's made though. Yeah, so I said I wasn't gonna do anything else, but this is pretty dusty. You see all that dust? I know you see it. I know you see it. If this is your first time on my channel, I would like to welcome you. My name is Kim, K-Y-M, and you are currently in my bedroom. On my channel, you will find all things pertaining to home. All right, let's see. No more dust, just a little scuff here or there, but that's all right because it's old. I find cleaning, painting, doing DIYs, that sort of thing very therapeutic, and my husband likes to work on cars. We also clean carpets, so everything pertaining to home. And along the way, I will give you tips on how you can keep your house clean throughout the week so you're not spending your entire weekend trying to clean your home. No one has time for that. So if you're not cleaning along with me, please just sit back, relax, kick your feet up, have some coffee or tea, and enjoy this music. Clean the chair off. I took a poll on the gram of should I or should I not add knobs, and most people said that they would like to see knobs. Let me push this in. On here, these are the knobs that I purchased, and they're really nice. I think they look really nice. Got them from Home Goods. Here's the price. So eventually I will get those put on.
Who's it gonna be? Ooh, guess it's gonna have to be us. Who's it gonna
That's what the back of it looks like. So they just screw on, so you have to center it on your actual, wherever you're, putting it. So for me, I would have to find the center of each of these. But let me just tell you a little secret. I'm sure it's gonna be crooked because my name is Kim and that's how I roll. For real. Every time I open this pantry door, the water gets caught up, so I want to make sure that I get that arranged at the bottom of the pantry. One day soon, I'm going to clean up this pantry, but not anytime soon. Doesn't it look amazing? Does anybody want to help me? Because I really don't want to do it, for real, just saying. But this is the chaos. And it's always like this. I mean, like seriously. But oh well. On the day that I actually recorded this video, my daughter started school the very next day. So I wanted to get some fruit cut up so that she could have some fruit in the morning with her breakfast so she wouldn't be eating like junk food for breakfast. Y'all know how kids are. She's 10 years old. So I figure if I have the fruit on hand and it's already cut up, that she will, want to eat that instead of Pop-Tarts. There's nothing wrong with Pop-Tarts, but fruit's more healthy.
I keep trying to break through, 'cause it got me so high, just watching it time flies, wake up doing late night, I can't get enough.
Is packing her lunch for cheer camp. She's in the pantry. Hi, Karya. How are you? What you doing, sugar?
Packing my lunch for cheer camp.
Cheer camp? You want to show us the cheer or no? Girl, bye. I spent my hard-working arms and hands to cut this cantaloupe for her not to want it. Say about not wanting my cantaloupe. Nothing. Make me feel sad. Look how organized she is. This goes in our pantry. However, our pantry, y'all saw it, it ain't organized. But she has some type of organization for her schooling. So you want what, grapes and apple slices? You're gonna...
The apple slices are in there.
Okay, and then I'll wash the grapes off. On the occasion that I do have veggie and fruit wash on hand, I do like to use it. However, I will clean anything off with vinegar. Fruit, vegetables, meat, it all works the same. Karia is about to eat her grapes that are washed off. And mommy is about to eat some cantaloupe with tahini and some grapes. To make crock pot barbecue chicken for dinner. I think that'll be really good with some broccoli and some kind of potatoes maybe. I don't know. But I'll take you along with me. Okay, first things first, that I'm gonna put in my barbecue crock pot chicken is this right here. If you don't know anything about this, you need to know that this makes your meat tender, whether it be like chicken or roast or whatever the case may be. So, put a little juice in there. Oil, olive oil, a little bit of Jack Daniels. Okay, chicken added. Okay, so you season with whatever you like. My staple seasoning are Lowry's, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of pepper. But these are gonna have to be seasoned on both sides. That's what it's looking like so far. So I'm gonna let this cook up in the crock pot and I'm gonna cover it. I don't know where my cover is, so I'm about to just I'm using that cover because I don't know where my cover is. This crock pot is really old, look. You see the gadget down there? Yeah, it's broken off. But anyway. This is my oldest daughter, Bree, that everyone thinks that I don't know who they think she is. Bree, say hello to the people. Hello. It's so funny the comments that I get about her. They're like, who is that other girl? Is she your sister? I'm like, no, that's my 20-year-old. I have a 20-year-old. That sounds so funny. Anyway, she took my daughter, my youngest daughter, Karia, to cheer camp, and I have to pick her up. So I wanted to make sure that I got all of this food prepared and taken care of before I have to leave. It is plate making time in the building. If only you could smell this. It smells great. And as far as the barbecue sauce, I did add some extra ingredients in the actual sauce to make everything just so delicious. And let me tell you, it turned out amazing. And the chicken is very tender as well. For the potatoes, I cut them up into large slices and I put salt, pepper, butter, and some garlic on there. And then you can add whatever toppings you want. We didn't have any sour cream this day, so I just added cheese and bacon. We have a great combination of food: broccoli, potatoes with your choice of toppings, and a chicken sandwich. Meet me in the trail. It's going down. This is what it looks like heated. I forgot to show you guys because I was so excited. So I already started eating my sandwich. And you know I only eat on fine china. I purchased a new friend today. This is what my little friend is gonna go in side of. I think it's pretty cute. I don't know if you can really see very well. That's what it looks like. So let me show you my new little friend. There she is. That's my new little friend. And homegirl got spider webs in her. So I'm gonna show you what I do for that. In this handy dandy bag is Gummitatious Earth, so I'm gonna put this in the soil to make sure there are no bugs before I bring it in the house, so it'll probably be in my garage for a minute. Friendly reminder to say your affirmations. Look in the mirror and say, I am amazing. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on the soil.
Another cold and rainy night without you lying by my side. I can't sleep, already tried, but still I dream away. Thinking about the way it was, but baby, just the two of us. We had it all, but we got lost with nothing left to say. Days turned into months.
So there is a gap. What I'm gonna do is just fill it up with rocks so that it would all fit in together, and I'm gonna put it in my living room as soon as the Diatomaceous Earth work. Because Kim is not about to bring no plant in the house that has spider webs in it, because my mama taught me better than that. You feel me? As of today, I still have not brought the plant in my house because I don't like spiders, and I just want to make sure that it is spider free. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will be alerted when my videos upload, because I will show you exactly what I do to this pot. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.